How to reduce video size on any iPhone. First, let's check the original video size. To do that, open the Photos app and find the video that you want to compress and click on the eye icon. Here you will see the file size. Let's reduce this to this. First, open the App Store app on your phone. In the search bar, search for Video Compressor. There are tons of apps available, so pick one that suits your needs. For this video, I am using Video Compressor Shrink Video app. Tap on the app to open in full screen, then download the app. Click on the Open to open the app. After opening, you'll need to allow the app access to your photos and videos. Select the video that you want to compress. At the top right corner of the screen, hit the check mark. After selecting the video, adjust the slider to adjust your compression rate. You can increase or decrease the target size of the video, but remember, the more you compress, the less storage it will take up, but the quality will also decrease. Now at the top right corner of the screen, click on the download icon. The compression will take some time to complete. After completing, the downloaded video will be saved to your Photos app. Here, you'll notice the file size is much smaller and perfect for saving storage space. And that's it.